BJP MP Kirti Azad has hit out at the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar for his silence on Geeta's return. Kirti Azad has said Nitish Kumar at one point had called Ishrat Jahan a suspected Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist, Bihar's daughter, and he's now silent on Geeta, India's daughter. And he's questioned Nitish Kumar's silence here.
The daughter of Bihar, Geeta, who was in Pakistan for last several years, is now being brought back to India. I have with me Kirti Azad, senior BJP MP, to talk on this issue. Kirti ji, do you think that this is one of the biggest achievements of the Modi government in the last 1.5 years, that Geeta is now being brought back to India?
We have this Yojana, program of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Every single daughter of our country is most important. And this is one of the major achievements. One of the major, there's so many of them. One of the major achievements of doing a Ghar Wapsi of Geeta, who was away from here and had crossed the borders unknowingly into Pakistan. And on the other side, we also have Ishrat Jahan, allegedly or proven terrorist who was there for assassination. Two daughters of India, one who inadvertently went out, is being brought back in. The other, due to her own deeds, was a terrorist. So we have two examples right in front of us. And in that case, if you ask me about the achievement, I think there's so many that this government has done. And I think she belongs to Mithila. She's getting back to Saharsa. And we're very proud of it.
You are speaking about Ishrat Jahan. She is the same girl about whom the JDU had claimed, or Nitish Kumar's party had claimed, that she is the daughter of Bihar.
Isn't it unfortunate that no statement from the Ahankari Chief Minister has come out as far as Geeta is concerned? This is basically appeasement policy. When the Honorable Prime Minister says 125 crores, 1.25 billion people of this country, that includes everyone. He wants development for everyone. And here we have somebody who's doing appeasement. I think he should appreciate every single person, whichever religion a person belongs to, whichever caste it belongs to. But unfortunately, it's appeasement. It's trying to break the country. They're doing exactly what the Congress did. What the Britishers used to say, divide and rule India, is what they have done. And they say that forward and backward fight is going on, and there are so many other things. But I feel that the people do realize, mostly the youngsters, the people who have left the state, gone out to find employment, they have left their families, their aging parents, their children and wife, they want to stay in their home. The education, the 4,000 crores rupees every year, the education, the money goes out. We have great universities here. We have 2 universities in Darbhanga, but both of them are defunct. And that's the most unfortunate part.
It's a Ghar Wapsi of Geeta, you believe?
Yes, it's a Ghar Wapsi of Geeta, very much a Ghar Wapsi of Geeta. And we are very happy, especially being Mithilanchalis, and Saharsa is a part of Mithila. We are very proud of it, we are very happy, we will welcome her. And I hope the Chief Minister all does that.
One final question. So do you believe that it's an achievement of the Modi government? So in real terms, more than Ishrat Jahan, Geeta is the real daughter of Bihar?
No, both are daughters of India and Bihar. You are a son of India, so am I. But if I get into wrong company, bad company, and start doing anything, then I am an insult. In that case, it could be anyone. And kindly do not marginalize it to any kind of a community or a religion or a mazhab. You are what you are because of your deeds. Religion has nothing to do with that.
Thank you so much. Well, that was BJP MP Kirti Azad giving his views on the return of Geeta back to India, and he said that this is one of the big achievements that Narendra Modi government has done in the last 1.5 years. This is Rohit Singh in Darbhanga for India Today.
JDU spokesperson Rajiv Ranjan joins me on the broadcast on Kirti Azad's allegation Nitish Kumar indulges in politics of appeasement. He spoke of Ishrat Jahan as Bihar ki beti, but not Geeta as Bharat ki beti. Rajiv Ranjan, your reaction?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात है, कीर्ति आजाद जी बाबू बजरंगी बनने की बेकार की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ऐसी चीजों पर राजनीति करना ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। एक तरफ वो अपीजमेंट की बात करते हैं, अपीजमेंट तो वो कर रहे हैं। बिहार में नीतीश कुमार जी ने जो कुछ भी काम किया है, अगर उसको सरहद के उस पार और इस पार के इस तरह के जो सरबजीत या आप कहेंगे गीता का मामला, इन सवालों पर ये पूरी तरह से दो देशों के बीच जो कभी इस देश से उस सरहद पार उस पार चले गए और वहां से कभी यहाँ चले आए, ये पूरी तरह से मानवता का सवाल है। और ऐसे मानवता से जुड़े सवालों पर जो राजनीति करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कीर्ति झा आजाद जी, मुझे लगता है सरबजीत को मरने से जो लोग नहीं बचा पाए तो उन्हें कम से कम इस तरह की बयानबाजी से बचना चाहिए। और गीता का सवाल बिहार से एक भावनात्मक जुड़ाव है, बिहार की बेटी है और निश्चित तौर पर बिहार को आज बेहद खुशी होगी कि बिहार की बेटी बिहार की धरती पर लौटी। तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इन सवालों पर नीतीश कुमार जी का प्रहार करके वो कोई अपनी पार्टी या अपने गठबंधन का भला कर रहे हैं। वो बार बार बेनकाब कर रहे हैं अपने नेता को कि ऐसे जो ओछी राजनीति करके वो अगर देश को कोई संदेश देना चाहते हैं तो कम से कम बिहार की जनता इसे अपमानजनक मानती है कि हर सवाल पर बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार पर व्यक्तिगत आरोप लगाए।
राजीव रंजन जी, आपने हमसे बात की, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। एंड फॉर द मोमेंट